Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Citibank application. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and download the application on your phone. So it's going to be like this as example. So Citibank app. So the icon will be like this as example. And of course, you can type in any browser Citibank app and you can click on the first link here. They'll give you basically the link right away if you have an iPhone to download it in the App Store and if you have an Android to download it in the Google Play. So click on those links as example and they'll take you exactly where you are. If you, of course, if you have a Mac, you can even download it from here. It will be downloaded or you can make it download in your phone as well from here. So same will be normally for Google Play. Make sure to go download it. So once it's downloaded, you can simply go and click as open it, of course, and click on this third option, which is register for an account. Once you click on register for an account, you will have to start filling up your information. As example, click on continue. You'll have to start filling up all the information required or asked, and you basically will have an account as very simple. So as you can see, look for register, enter the private information, name, birth date, account information, establish a password, and secure online ID. And yeah, you should be then good to go and you sign up to an app application or Citibank app. Very easy. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.